How to import content on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to import your content easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to blogger.com. Let's refresh the page. This is the home page. Click here on settings and then scroll down until you find this manage blog option, and here you will find import content. Click on it, and here as you can see you can enable this or disable it, and then click import. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like to this video, and also you can leave a comment and if this video was helpful, of course. See you later and thank you so much.